Hello and welcome to our video comparing two popular air fryers, the GoWISE USA Digital Air Fryer and the Chefman Air Fryer. In this video, we will be evaluating each product based on several categories to help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. Before we begin, if you enjoy our content, please like this video, comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and comparisons like this. Both air fryers offer 8 preset cooking options, which include the popular choices such as fries, chicken, steak, fish, and pizza. Additionally, they both come with an accessory that allows you to cook 2 meals at once. The GoWISE USA Air Fryer offers the ability to customize your cooking needs using manual controls. In contrast, the Chefman Air Fryer makes it easier with its simple touch controls for temperature and time adjustments. With similar options and accessories, this category is a tie. Both air fryers have an appealing modern look with a sleek touchscreen menu. While the GoWISE USA Air Fryer offers a built-in alarm function to remind you to shake your ingredients at 5, 10, and 15-minute increments, the Chefman Air Fryer offers a digital display that makes it easy to monitor cook times. The Chefman Air Fryer has a square shape with a non-stick stainless steel finish, making it perfect for small kitchens and compact spaces. Overall, while both air fryers have similar designs, the Chefman Air Fryer's compact and sleek square shape gives it the edge in this category. The GoWISE USA Digital Air Fryer costs around $73, while the Chefman Air Fryer costs around $99. While the Chefman Air Fryer costs more, it has more features, such as a square shape, easy-to-clean flat frying tray, and temperature adjustment presets for French fries, meat, chicken, and fish. Therefore, this category goes to the GoWISE USA Air Fryer, which provides an economically friendly option with a broader temperature range. Both air fryers offer a healthier cooking option with little to no oil, resulting in fried food with fewer calories and less grease. They also both have a temperature range of up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is perfect for air frying vegetables, pizza, and frozen foods to a perfect crisp in minutes. The category concludes in a tie as both air fryers provide almost the same health benefits. And that concludes our comparison video of the GoWISE USA Digital Air Fryer and the Chefman Air Fryer. In summary, both air fryers offer similar features, making it a tough call to determine which one is better. When considering the price, the GoWISE USA Air Fryer becomes an economical option with a broader temperature range. On the other hand, the Chefman Air Fryer's compact square shape and easy-to-clean flat frying tray make it the perfect option for people with a limited amount of counter space. We hope this video has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more reviews like this. Thank you for watching.